Good morning everybody and welcome to Thursday's maths lesson. This is all about adding two-digit numbers. Okay, so let's have a look at this. Okay, so we're going to use our base 10 to add this. That means we can use tens and ones. Okay, so for have a look at 17 add 32. So we know we can partition it into 1 10 and 7 ones. We can partition it into 3 tens and 2 ones. So how many tens have we got altogether? 1 10 and 3 tens makes 4 tens. How many ones have we got altogether? We've got 7 ones and 2 ones. We know 7 add 2 is 9. So 4 tens and 9 ones, combine it together would make 49. Now you can draw your tens and ones for each one of them calculations and then add them together. If you want to use apparatus, maybe you've got some matchsticks for tens or some 10p coins, and you've got some 1p coins or some ones in Lego or ones, any counters you can use to help you with that. If you are in school, you can definitely use the tens and ones. Draw the tens and ones. So let's do another one together. 13 add 61. So we draw 1 10 and 3 ones. We draw 6 tens and a 1 1. Then we combine. We know that 1 10 add 6 tens is 7 tens. 3 add 1 is 4. Combine it together makes 74. Now then, another way of adding two-digit numbers is the column method. We know that the T is for the tens and the ones is for the ones. So if we were to write it out like that, it would be 46 add 13 equals 59. We know that when we do column addition, we add the ones first. So it's 1 add 2 is 4. 5 tens add 1 10 is 6 tens, and we know 6 tens is 60. So we know it's 50 add 10, so it's 63. Let's have a look at this one, look. So we've got in the ones column, so the calculation is 12 add 15. In the ones column, it's 2 add 5, which we know is 7. And we know we've got 1 10 add 1 10. We know 10 add 10 is 20. So it's 27. Can you have a go at them by yourself? Write them out. Then have a look at these. Look, they're written out like straight. So it's 45 add 32. But can you use the column method to solve them calculations? Now then, what I want you to do for this, I will read this one with you. It says Ron has 42 marbles, look. And we know 42 is 4 tens, so there's 4 tens and 2 at the end. Whitney has 23 marbles. We know that that is 2 tens and 3 ones. How many marbles are there altogether? So it would be 42 add 23. We can check it with the column method. But we know that 2 add 3 is 5. And we know that 40 add 20 is 60. So altogether it would be 65. That calculation is 42 add 23. I want you to have a go at reading the next 3 slides on your own. One is about some balloons. One is, I think Mo has some balloons. I think that's a mistake. That's on 2 slides, but have a go. Mo has some balloons. How many balloons does Mo have? Can you count them up and write them down? He gives 1 bag of balloons to his friend. How many does he have now? Is that an addition or is that a subtraction? I think I've put a subtraction 1 in there. Let's have a look at this one. Now then, I've put 1 in here, look. Sita has a bag of chocolate chips weighing 25 grams. Ben has a bag of chocolate chips weighing 34 grams. What's the total weight? Do you know which two numbers you have to add together? Can you do it as tens and ones? Can you do it as a column method? Talk to an adult about how you would solve that. Can you actually come up with your own problem like the ones that I've put in? If you do, send me. I would love to see it.